G'day guys, only a week to go until Christmas, so I thought I'd make a quick little video for the end of the year and to say thanks to all my subscribers for their support over the last 12 months. Progress has been a little bit slow getting videos out this year, but I still managed to hit 5,000 subs, which is unbelievably awesome, and I can't thank you all enough. I've been making things my whole life, but I only started shooting videos a couple of years ago, and I really can't believe the response so far, especially to my hairpin leg bender and toolbox stereo. Now on to what I'm doing in this video. I came across these 3D printable Christmas tree lights by a designer known as Alzabif. I think that's how you pronounce it, Alzabif, on Thingiverse. Certainly not a new design, but I like it, so I thought I'd give it a go. I downloaded the STL files and dropped them into my host software and used Slicer to make up the print file. I then printed the trees and bases using white PLA filament with a 0.3mm layer height. The bases have a 10% infill and the trees were printed in vase or vase mode, pronunciation depending on which country you come from. The original design called for wiring the LEDs yourself, but I cheated a bit and bought this string that includes a AA battery pack from a local hardware store for about $5. Unfortunately, there's no flash mode on this string, but it looks good anyway. The thin wall in vase mode will allow for the LEDs to light up the trees nice and bright. Once the trees were printed, I drilled a hole in the bottom using a step drill bit. There's an indent printed in the bottom of the trees that's about 15mm. Drilling that section out allows the bases to connect with a nice satisfying snap fit. The LEDs are at the end of about a 30mm stalk that allows it to fit up inside the tree. I only placed every second light inside the trees. I think that gives a nice contrast. I finished up with a hot glue gun to hold the LEDs and the cable in place. In the end, a pretty easy project, but it gave me an opportunity to learn a few things about my 3D printer and to add to our Christmas decorations at the same time. Now I have some big plans for my channel over the next 12 months, lots of projects to come, so keep an eye out for that and I hope you enjoy what I come up with. Once again, thanks to everyone for all your support this year, it really means a lot to me. I hope you have a happy and safe Christmas and a fantastic new year, and thanks again for watching.